If your phone is locked with your Gmail, I mean FRP, then you can't escape this one. You have to connect network. Then come next page. You have to put email. If you don't know email, you can't finish setup. So now we will do unlock. Okay, let's go back. See now, open your UMT tools. Its name Ultimate SAMS. You open the UMT tool Ultimate SAMS. Wait, opening. Now open your Ultimate tool Samsung 0.4 version. You click the tool. Okay, just connect your phone with your computer. Okay, now phone connected with computer. Okay, now just only click bypass. No need select anything else. Just you click the bypass. See, now they are calm. Not found means phone not connected. So remove phone. See, just click bypass. Now see the instruction. Now phone is found. Checking for device. See, now just you go to phone and click emergency call. Then star hash 0 star hash. Then click OK here. Just wait for enabling ADB. Now see, authorize ADB. Click just wait. This device is founded. Okay. Now just wait. Just click OK. See, there is come message. Just always hello. Now see. Okay, it's late. So click again. Bypass. Just click again. Same processor. Checking the. Just wait. See. And now it's found it. See, resetting FRP. See, FRP is done. Now your phone is unlocked. Okay, just go to phone. Remind me later. Let's see. Phone work now is unlocked. Just you do one thing. Go to setting. Then reset your phone again. Now okay, finish. Now work is finished. All done.